Yo, what's good? Got a quick market recap today. No trades today. Got pretty close to entering. Does this blur my glasses? Got pretty close to entering, but did end up finding a proper setup, and that kind of caused me like to have some emotional like sadness. But I mean, it's good that I sat out because that would just be enforcing bad behavior, right? So on GBP/USD, this was like the one I saw like the most potential on. 4 hour was bullish going into market open, looking for potential lows to get taken. So in this case, I was more focused on the Asian lows. We also did have 4 hour lows down here, I believe. Yeah, 4 hour low down here, which was another potential draw. But you know, like we took them out, but we just kept on pushing below, you know, and we ended up having a reaction here. But I feel like at this point it would be kind of like trying to catch a, you know, that term, what's it called, catch a falling knife. So it's like the knife is like falling, but it's like the knife is falling when you're trying to catch it, and you can't catch it because it's like falling, you know. So like that's like why it's a falling knife, because it's like falling, but you could enter and then you just get stopped out. So it's like boom, stabbed, and then you're cooked. But yeah, inverse fair value gap, enter long off of this. Nice target, JK. Don't enter off that, because like what are you doing entering off of a breaker structure that's all the way down here with no significance? You know, if we pushed all the way down here, that just probably means that these lows had like no significance to this. So didn't really think of entering. We did have a potential entry here in inverse fair value gap, form a high here, and then it could have like maybe broke structure here and then targeted this high, or like even the London high. That was like the main target, but it didn't end up working out. GBP/JPY also gave another potential setup, but this is also kind of like not the best, you know. 4 hour was bullish, so at this point, you know, there was some hope. You know, we could have maybe come out, take out the London low, and then maybe even take out the Asian low. Also, something I forgot to say, there was news today. Yeah, there was just like the red folder news at 6:30, I believe. So I was waiting for that to come out. Didn't really do too much, but you know, ideally I was wanting to see the London lows get taken and then maybe even the Asian lows, but we just had to push up and then ended up coming back into the London lows. You know, enter long off this fair value gap, stopped out. You know, that's the type of shit we want. But yeah, don't take those low quality subs. EUR/USD kind of had no hope because we took out the London low right before NY open, and the 4 hour structure was bearish. Now, looking at GBP/USD, EUR/USD, and DXY, it was like giving like potential to like, it kind of like gave like reason to go long on it. Like it just felt better, like it just looked better to go long on EUR/USD. But again, like SMT is mainly used for like having confirmation for a pre-existing bias, not to make your bias, you know, because SMTs can happen either direction, right? So that's like kind of why I didn't enter on the EUR/USD. But yeah, that's basically it, bro. Like I really don't have anything to talk about. My brain is so fried and I'm getting sick, bro. I hate being sick. My nose is like, this nose is like stuffed, and like my throat is like itchy low-key, and I'm sweating, bro. It's so hot for no reason. But yeah, that's all for today. No bitches, no money, no whip, bro. It's like, I'm like, bro, like when I go to school and everything, or like go to uni now, it's like I'm caught in a rat race, bro. Like just be seeing everyone, but it's like I could be looking at all these people and be like, yo, they're all in a rat race. But who knows, maybe there's some other successful entrepreneur that's in that group of people that I esteem to be the rat race, and they're looking at me like I'm in the rat race when I'm really trying to make it out as well. So you can't judge a person by their cover, you know, for real. Yeah, I don't know why I said that. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow also looks pretty decent for like potential trade. Like it looks like a decent trading day. Today was pretty decent. Tomorrow we don't have any red folder, which is like pretty good, I guess. But it is Friday, so don't really know for sure. Probably won't risk a full percent, just because maybe just 0.5. I don't even know. That'll be it tomorrow's edition to see how everything. What the heck? Goodbye.